honor and a real pleasure for me to host all of you here. Many of you are very familiar to me. I've worked with most of you in one way or another in my past positions. So I will just make this short because I know all of you are experts already in organizing the SONA. For this administration, this will be the fourth SONA. So, and of course, the operative word for this year, I think, will be a simple SONA, in keeping with the time. So there will be no red carpet, no long gowns. As you can see in the invitations that we've prepared, we've specifically mentioned that we've encouraging everyone, especially the ladies, to just wear simple Filipiniana dress. So even some of the preparations that we've done are all geared towards keeping it simple but still dignified. Of course, this is a major event for the administration and for the Filipino people. So I hope everyone will also contribute to making this very simple but dignified for the President and for the whole government. So, thank you again.
Yeah, this first coordinating SONA. And of course, our friends from the Executive Department led by Yusek Rachel. I'll be less formal in my introductions. And of course, the Senate team is here, and we give all assurances of our cooperation and support for a very successful SONA hosting. I also did not include our debt sector finance because we do not intend to spend. Sagutan ng house, bigo lang. Just keeping it light. So with that, I'm wishing everyone a very fruitful preparations for the SONA and of course a very successful SONA. And with that, I'd like to thank you for sending me the invitation to be here again. Maraming salamat.